and hi. My name is Fauzan, and here is question 1A. From the given question, we know that n is equal to 20, s is equal to 0.63, and for the s bar is 10.86. Y minus alpha is 90% and alpha is 0.1. These are the steps to get the answer. The line of a series, we must substitute the mean, alpha, standard deviation, and sample. Then the final answer will be 10.63 and 11.092. For the next question, is significant due to the interval support claim and 10.9 lies within the confidence interval. And then here's are the question for 1B. So now here's the answer for 1B, one moment. Since n is more than 30, standard deviation and S bar are given. Therefore, we use formula interval estimation for the difference between two populations means by the standard deviation unknown and last sample. Y minus alpha is 0.95, which is we know that alpha is 0.05. When we divide it by 2, we got 0.025. Now, we substitute the S bar with the given value. We further set table for alpha 0.025, which is now 1.96. Substitute sigma 1 and sigma 2 with the given values, and then the answer will be negative 3.8827 and negative 2.7173. We can conclude that 95% confident that means the price of a large cup of coffee is between RM 2.72 and RM 3.88. Now, here's the answer for 1B true Roman. We can conclude that is the significant. Since 0 is not included in the interval, we conclude that is a significant difference between the mean of price for a large cup of coffee.
All right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iril Iskandar bin Morhes, and I'll be continuing the question 2. And this is the given question for question 2A. For question 2A, we need to determine the point estimators for the population mean and the population variance of this type of flower. To find the population mean, it is equivalent to the summation of x bar I over n, which is 56.5 over 10, which would then equal to 5.65. We can do the same for population variance, which is the summation of xi minus x bar altogether to the power of 2 over n minus 1, which would then equal to 15.3045 over 9, which would then equal to 1.7006. Moving on to question 2b. This is the given question for question 2b. For question 2b, these are the steps to find the confidence interval, where alpha is equivalent to 0.02, n is 10, and s is 1.304. The value of chi-squared can be obtained in the table, which would be 21.666 and 2.08. Lastly, we need to square root the answer, which would then lead us to the final answer, which is 0.8406 and 2.7078. Last question. This is the question for 3A. To obtain the answer for 3A, first we know that the summation of x1 is equivalent to 809, summation of x2 is 786, and is equivalent to 11. Alpha is 0.01, alpha over 2 is 0.005, and 1 minus alpha over 2 is 0.99. You can substitute the given values into the formula that has been written for the population variance. After obtaining those answers, substitute your population variance into these 4 steps given below. In the end, we will get the answer 0.1083 and 3.7068. And lastly, this is question 3b. Based on the interval, we can conclude that since the value 1 is included in the interval, we conclude that the two variances are equal. Thank you.
Thank you for watching our video. Bye.
Bye bye.